My name is Mohamed Zaheer. I'm an HVAC technician in the trade and father of two, happily married. Well, it has been, we've been putting it off for a long time. Every year I'm thinking that we'll go this year, but it's been, this year never comes. But I just had two incidents. I had two lost in my family. My mother passed away, my son passed away this year. So, I thought the back of my head is life is too short and we have to get that done because this is one of the important pilgrim which as a Muslim, everyone has to have it done. It was a pretty good experience with the company, with the peers we had, and we actually made new families, new friends, and I'm hoping to get a lot out of it and be a good Muslim going on. Arafah was a pretty good setup. It was, I was not expecting that. I was thinking we're going to be going in the desert and everyone is going to be on the plain ground, but Alhamdulillah, Arafah was very good. I was not expecting air conditioners over there, but it was amazing. The food was very good, and especially the rain when it came at the back of my head and then heard, I was thinking that Allah have answered all the prayers, which was very, very good feeling. The inside feeling was very energetic and enthusiastic. Alhamdulillah, with the Badir, their rates were pretty good as compared to the other companies. The services were pretty good, and even the other peers or family friend which came to Hajj this year, they were actually even farther than we were in Makkah, and they prayed pretty much same or a little bit more than us. And I think it's a pretty good service, especially walking distance to Makkah Haram. It's amazing.